Hi there, my name is Bethany Asquino, and today we're going to be playing Stardew Valley, developed by Concerned Ape. And Concerned Ape is actually just one guy. His name is Eric Baroni, and he developed the entire thing. He did all the artwork, the music, he programmed everything, which I think is really cool. So let's get started. So today is my first day on the farm. With Stardew Valley, you start off as an employee at uh, Joja Inc. In the big city, and you're not happy with the corporate life. But once your grandpa dies, you inherit his farm. So you decide to move to the farm and take over things there and try and fix it back up. So let's see. So we wake up in our house and let's check the TV. Let's look at the weather. It's important to check the weather. When you're a farmer, you want to know what the conditions are going to be. Okay. And so you start out with a couple different tools to start, preparing your farm. You're given 15 parsnip seeds to start out with. Let's see. And then you can use a couple different things to kind of prepare the soil. I'm using a scythe right now to get rid of all the vegetation. It's probably the quickest and easiest way. But for the logs and the rocks and stuff, I'm going to have to use something a little bit harder. So let's switch to the axe. There we go. And you can choose from a couple different farm types. I went with the forest farm because it gives you the best amount of resources. If I ever need more logs or fiber for crafting anything, I can just get it from my farm because this stuff always comes back. Let's see. I'll probably need a pickaxe for the rocks. There we go. And in the beginning, it's not, you start out pretty slow. You're limited by a certain amount of energy that you have. And when you only have like 15 crops to grow, that's not too much of a big deal. But once you expand your farm and you have like hundreds and hundreds of crops, you can build a sprinkler system so that you don't have to use all your energy. And it would take all day if you were to just use your watering can to sit there and water all the crops on your industrial-sized farm. But for now, we're okay with the tools that we start out with. Okay, let me see if I can clear these trees as well. There we go. And then, let's see, what's next? So we need to till the soil. Let's see. We can attempt to make 3 rows of 5. A little sloppy here, but enough for our 15 parsnip seeds. And typically at your farm, you just start out with crops, but once you kind of expand your farm, you can get livestock as well. Oh, did I only do 4? You can use your crops for other purposes, like to create preserves, among other things, and increase your profits. And then you can use your profits to further expand your farm, or to decorate your house as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's till the soil a little bit more. And As you get further in the game, you realize that the town has a little bit of a backstory. There are some mythical creatures called Junimos that are hidden in the broken down community center, and they want gifts. So once you bring them the gifts that they want, they'll help you develop your farm and help you fix up the town a little bit as well, because it's kind of a slow town, and it's been on the decline for a little bit of a while. All right, and I think we're going to leave it there as we've watered all our crops. So thanks for watching and have a great day.